Had a few people asking me what are the guns that I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about them a little bit. This here is my clear gun. It's a SATA 5000. It's an RP. And this is normally what I use for base. This is an HVLP SATA 4000. And for solid colors, I use this Tecna. It's a DeVilvis. But most people ask what would be the best gun for them. And they talk about Harbor Freight, but I got a better option for you. This here is the 3M gun. They're real cool because you can change the tips out. All you gotta do is just squeeze this and pull it out. It's got different sizes, so you can do primer, sealer. You can actually do paint through these. I paid $100 for this. Got it off of eBay. I bought Harbor Freight guns before. They don't last very long. I've only used them for primer. These I've actually sprayed paint through. All you do is snap that on. So when you go to clean it, you just clean it normally. But after it starts to get real dirty, you just pop it out, pull it off, and you got a brand new gun once you stick the new tip on. It's a good option for someone if they're doing it at home. These guns in a professional setting, I usually get a couple years out of them. And that's what I use normally. So I got a couple of these guns. Like I said, they last about 2 years in a professional setting, but they get used every day. And these are the tips, the different size tips. And these spray paint really, really nice if you got the right tip on it. So this is my suggestion. Instead of going to Harbor Freight and buying one of their guns. And I usually get these for about $100 off of eBay. So I think this is the best option for if you're spraying at home.